Hello students, today we will discuss about objectives of studying literature in school curriculum. Okay? मतलब स्कूल करिकुलम में के क्या ऑब्जेक्टिव्स हैं इसके बारे में आज हम पढ़ेंगे. लिटरेचर ऑल्सो अल्टरनेटिवली नोन एज द रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ लाइफ is studied critically in the literature departments all across the globe. The English literature was brought under the umbrella of education as a discipline when England was experiencing tremendous industrial revolutions. Then the principal objective was to teach the middle and lower classes people some moral lessons. During the course of time, this concept has had an enormous change. People now study literature not only to learn some so-called moral lessons, but it mingles with certain other objectives as well. Some of the highly cited objectives of literature as a discipline are: first, productive critics. The principal objectives of the Department of Literature across the world is to produce critics who are trained to estimate or judge literary text and other regular life experience as well. Basically, the literature students are critics who know how to deal things of different dimensions in different ways and perspectives. First है transcultural mingling. As known, deals with the life and the daily life affairs. Literacy text, therefore, its focus is on cultural influences and practices. The objective of literary studies is that those who study literature get to understand different cultures and their differences, thereby it broadens their perspectives and the way they see the world. Next है create a fundamental branch of education. Literature is regarded as a fundamental branch of knowledge and moreover a branch of education. Unlike many of the training-based educational disciplines, literature reflects the true human feelings and life events. Those students who study literature get better education than many other students who study training-based educational disciplines. Next है compatibility in the job market. Though critics widely argue whether the principal objectives of literature should be to ensure better jobs or not, but the true fact is that the students of the discipline of literature have better chances of ensuring compatible jobs. Next, always are new really to discover. Every story in literature has power. Literature is intensely personal, examining how words, sentences, characters, plot lines reveal who we are as humans. Humanity is a very complicated thing and requires an infinite amount of words to describe and analyze. This is the joy of studying literature because there is always a new reality discover. You are able to learn more and more about human conditions and what it means to be human in all aspects. Better understanding of human life experiences. A student studying literature as a branch of knowledge comes to gather knowledge of understanding human life experiences in a better manner. It is the literature that represents human experiences in the best manner. Next, get away to a deeper level of thought. The reading and writing, the basic principles involved in the study of English, serves as a gateway to a deeper level of thought. After mastering the elementary skills of comprehension, analysis, and interpretation, increase efficiency in multiple ways, including communication, documentations in other areas of study, and reflection of personal values. Next, teach new ways of seeing the world. The literature is taught in order to expand the minds and help to teach new ways of seeing the world. It is taught as a way to understand the time it was written and the people who produce it. Many a times literature and art provide insights that cold hard facts cannot. Moreover, literature makes the differences more manageable and highlights the similarities between people. The reading experiences teach more about what it means to live in this world. Discover and cultivate on ideas. Literature is about the obsession with ideas. Reading literature helps to discover and cultivate new ideas of their own. Literature appears in multitude of forms: poetry, prose, sonnet, novel, the sestina or short story. All appears in multitude of forms: poetry, prose, sonnet, novel, the sestina or short story. All the literature shares the common theme of the idea. Explore the idea, probe, inquire, and inspire. The reaction to all these become part of the learning process. A great deal can be taught about why literature, the past, present, and the future. The subjects can be broad and far-reaching, but can also be specific. It creates emotions and warns us against our many human faults. Literature can even attempt to disprove the ideas of others or attempt to find truth. In fact, we are looking to find the truth in some form or the other. The uncertainty of the specific meaning of a piece allows for its interpretation for the reader to decide. However, what is certain is that there are things to be learned from literature that are specific to it, that cannot be attained through any other media. To gather this knowledge and experience its beauty, all of these pertains to the importance of literature. Next, window to humanity. The window to humanity that lies at the heart of all literature can act as a sort of connecting portal to the culture surrounding each individual author. A study of the great work of literature not only helps to gain insight into The universal truth about which the author has chosen to write, but also learn about the culture in which the author lived, the history surrounding the country of to origin, various intellectual, political, and artistic movements of the time. The reader stands on the common ground of the universal truth around which the work is constructed. This is the point at which the reader's world and the author's world meet. The reader then begins to understand some of the motivations behind the author's own request for truth. Great literature provides the readers with a window into various aspects of human condition and guide a way so that we can relate to one another and to our surroundings. Literature provides us a mirror to examine our collective reflection as people. There are no concealers, no cover ups to gloss over the well message of humanity, but exposes them quite openly just the truth. Literature is the reflecting pool into which every person that ever existed can look and see both his own face and faces of all his fellow pupils. It enables each human to not only find the humanity within his own heart but also to connect the reader to generations. Okay, thank you for